Hey guys, I am Dana Wallman, Editor-in-Chief at Engadget. As you might know, Engadget is covering CES remotely this year just because of COVID. I am coming to you from a COVID-safe showroom in New York City. Until we started shooting this video, I was wearing a mask. You can maybe even see the imprint on my nose bridge here. And what I'm going to show you today in this video is Lenovo's next generation Essential smart clock. This is not Lenovo's first smart clock with the name Essential. There was one before it, and this does not look like that. What this does look like is the Lenovo Smart Clock 2, which is a different smart clock from the company that we've covered. And really the biggest difference here between this generation of the Essential and the previous one is that now it not only supports Google Assistant, but you can also use Amazon Alexa if that is your assistant of choice. This one also has docking support, as you can see, and Lenovo is selling a few of its own first-party docks to go with it. This is the more grown-up version over here. You can see that there are pins for the clock itself, and there is wireless charging over here for whatever other compatible accessories you might have, compatible mobile devices, whether it's your smartphone or smartwatch or whatever. And there are these more kid-friendly designs here too. This is, I'm told, a sea lion. And there's also a squid version. So this kind of suggests, given that 2/3 of the available options right now are animals, that one of the recommended use cases is to put this in a kid's room. Indeed, as far as a kid's device go, or really a device for any adult who wants just something really simple and basic, this isn't meant to be a Swiss Army knife that does a little bit of everything. As you can see, it's a really minimalistic display there. You can see the time, the day, you can see the decibel level in real time, which I think is interesting. And then from the top of the device, you can set an alarm. You can activate whatever assistant you have. And what's cool is that if you have one of these animal docks enabled, you're gonna see a cute little face. See? You're gonna see a cute little face on the screen. And from there too, you have just really basic volume controls up here. And so this will be available soon. It's gonna cost $60, whereas the last generation of the Essential costs $50. Lenovo will tell you that what you do get this time around is support for these docking accessories, if that's of interest. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, it's available in 2 colors. As you can see, one of them is this clay red. There's also going to be a misty blue available. We don't unfortunately have photos of that. And that's really it. Like I said, a simple device, not much to it. Thank you for watching this hands-on. And for more CES coverage this week, check out Engadget.com and also our YouTube channel. Much more coming.